Hi guys, Dale Bateman here. On today's episode of Build Your Success Online, I've got something a little different for you. We're talking about going beyond the search. Stay tuned for more details. When I talk about going beyond the search, what I mean is, are we really getting the most out of our search engines that we use every day? I don't know about you, but for me, anytime that I'm thinking about what I need to find out in terms of information, a location, a name of something, even a celebrity maybe I saw in a movie and I want to know who they are, what else they've been in, I go immediately to my Google search bar and I type in whatever that search query is. Now this has become commonplace for just about everybody all around the world. And we really put so much faith into the search engines that exist, like Yahoo, Google of course, and Bing, that we have to wonder, are we really getting the best bang for our buck? So I wanted to explore that today in the blog and also in this video. So I've got a few points that I want to bring up to you to kind of get you thinking about whether you think we're getting the best in terms of search engine traffic and so forth from the search engines as they exist today. Then I've got a cool video to show you from Google themselves on exactly how their algorithms work in creating a search result for you after you've typed in your search query and hit the enter key. So let's take a look at a few points first, then we'll get to that video and we'll finish things up so you can make up your own mind and start thinking beyond the search. Here we go. Alright guys, so let's talk about going beyond the search. Are search engines really as good as they should be? I want you to join me and let's explore going beyond just plain searching and reaching out to more intelligent solutions. Search, search, search. That's all that people are talking about today. Google, Yahoo, and Microsoft are competing with each other to try to be the #1 search engine. Why? Because the #1 search engine gets huge amounts of traffic, and traffic equals revenue. Whether it's from ads or from services they can market, search engines stand much to gain from being #1. But do the search engines as they stand today fit the demands and requirements of the next generation of internet users? As the internet grows and the amount of information on it becomes so immense that for every simple search you get thousands of results, the efficiency of the search engines goes down. The search algorithms spend most of their time and computational resources trying to eliminate spam. As a result, they can barely keep up with the load of information, let alone sort it in an efficient and intelligent way. So what happens to us, the end user, is that we don't get what we are really looking for. Now it takes longer to search through the search results than it takes to actually read the information being searched for. The age of understanding. An understanding of the information written on the web page and the query typed into the search box would help the search engines better themselves in every aspect of the process. The understanding of the information on the web page will enable the search algorithm to sort the page appropriately. Now the question I want to ask you now, does this technology already exist? Most of the technologies needed to enable the above-mentioned features have been around for a long time, but have not come to good use due to the lack of a strong syntactic engine. Linguistic Agents Limited, or LA, in Jerusalem, Israel, have developed such an engine that can enable all of these features plus many more. The technologies LA created break the the sentence down into a basic predicate argument structure, allowing the computer to extract the meaning of the sentence from the resulting output. Now guys, I want you to look at the cool website that I've actually put a link for it in the blog and also on the in the description in YouTube, and to learn exactly how Google's search engine algorithms work. Okay, let's take a look at that now. Alright guys, so this is the video I was talking about. What I'm going to do, I've just landed here on a Google page looking at inside search. And like I said, I've put a link to this both in the blog and also in the description on YouTube, so you can check it out yourself. So once you arrive here, you're going to just click on how search works, and I'm just going to let this run and scroll through it myself, and you can see how it works. So how search works, from algorithms to answers. So we scroll down and we see part 1 of 3, crawling and indexing. Search starts with the web. It's made up of over 60 trillion individual pages, and it's constantly growing. Google navigates the web by crawling. That means we follow links from page to page. Site owners choose whether their sites are crawled. We sort the pages by their content and other factors. Then we keep track of it all in the index. It's over 100 million gigabytes. Now part 2, algorithms. We write programs and formulas to deliver the best results possible as you search. Algorithms get to work looking for clues to better understand what you mean. Based on these clues, we pull relevant documents from the index. We then rank the results using over 200 factors. Then you have the search lab. Our algorithms are constantly changing. These changes begin as ideas in the minds of our engineers. They take these ideas and run experiments, analyze the results, tweak them, and run them again and again. The results can take a variety of forms, and all this happens in 1/8 of a second. Part 3, fighting spam. We fight spam 24/7 to keep your results relevant. The majority of spam removal is automatic. We examine other questionable documents by hand. If we find spam, we take manual action. When we take action, we attempt to notify the website owners. Site owners can fix their sites and let us know. And basically, that's how search works. So guys, let's return to the presentation and we'll explore a little bit more about going beyond the search. So guys, what's the bottom line? Imagine a new age of computation where computers understand what they are told. All of this is made possible by LA's advanced algorithms. Not only are these algorithms extremely advanced, they are also very lightweight. The entire intelligence engine is so small it can be embedded in client-side Flash movies or even in AJAX applications. This would allow the search engines to parse the query and extract the core meaning and only then transmit the query to the server, saving valuable resources. Things are going to change as we move to more intelligent applications and start going beyond the search. So guys, this has been Going Beyond the Search. I hope it's given you some things to think about in terms of the way you perform a search on Google, Yahoo, Bing, whatever you use. And let's finish up the video now with a couple other little points, and we can explore this a little further. Let's take a look. Pretty cool, right? So guys, I hope this has given you some food for thought in terms of how you approach your searches now, in terms of both for your online business and for your day-to-day needs in terms of your searching and so forth. So with that in mind, guys, I'm gonna stop the video now, and thank you so much for watching. If you're watching on my blog, please click over and join up to my free online bootcamp course, giving you 10 days of awesome content to bring you well over $1,000 a day in online earnings eventually. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, thanks so much again, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. You'll get all my great content delivered right to you every single day, so you can start to build your success online. So guys, until next time, my name is Dale Bateman, and I'm wishing you a fantastic day. Bye for now.